guys, what's up? It's Emily here. So I have an unboxing video for you guys. Happy December, happy Christmas, because Christmas is coming up soon. So I'm unboxing another Beanie Baby. I did one before during the summer. I forget when that was, but that was a while ago. So I have another one. I do have a couple of Beanie Boos already, but I ordered this one from eBay. It's a reindeer because I love reindeers. So I'm gonna unbox it for you guys because I know how you guys would love that. So yeah, let's unbox. So let me find the opening. I got this like a bit ago and I haven't opened it because I wanted to wait until December to open it so I can get myself in the spirit of Christmas. And this is really hard to open. This is like really taped up. There we go. Okay, I got it. It's the only thing about unboxing videos. You can't figure out how to open the boxes. Okay. There we go. Oh my goodness, it looks so cute so far. Okay. So this is what the back looks like. Aw, that's so cute. That is so cute. So this little reindeer has sparkly gold antlers, which I freaking love, and sparkly ears and sparkly hooves. How adorable is this? And even the eye is gold, the eyes, and then the little nose is green. That is like so cute. So adorable. Let's see. So his name is Glitzy or something. You know, like Glitzy. That's what I'm thinking it is. And it says, I love reading the Beanie Boos little like poem in it because it's always so fun to read. So with golden hooves, I love to prance. I sparkle and glitter through every dance. Oh my goodness, I love that. So cute. So its birthday is December the 9th, and oh my god, let me check my phone, which is like behind me, cause okay, is the 5th. I was about to say, I'm like, wait, is today the 9th and I opened this on the 9th? Wouldn't that be so random? But it's the 5th though. But still so super cute. I really wanted another reindeer because I have stuffed in Rudolph from Build-A-Bear, and I was gonna get on stuff Build-A-Bear again and make one, but I was like, I just kind of want a little one because Rudolph is my special Build-A-Bear reindeer. So I got a little Beanie Boo, and I think he is so cute and I love his saying. So I just really wanted to show you guys him. So yep. And my cat and my kitten loves him too. My kitten thinks he's very cute, as you can tell by the camera. Do you like this reindeer? Do you like him? Do you think he's cute? Yeah, he's not your stuffy animal though. Hope you know that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and like if you want. And happy Merry Christmas.